Stop. I can't do this with you.
Relax. Hey.
No, I can't.
She's your friend.
And I'm not selfish like her. I'm not. Okay. We can still share it together.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm game. What really hurts me the most is that I saw them. He was licking her. He hasn't done that to me before. Listen, I like you, but I don't want you. Don't you feel good that much of this?
You like me, you don't want me. Come on, hey.
I know what Frima is.
Really? This girl the bee. Like she like me, cry. Tell her the way she did, I see things in there. She be football. We can look sharp.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but
My love's so painful. Sometimes you love somebody, the person doesn't love you back. I wish my tears would wash away all the love I have for him. I wish I'd never met him. I wish I'd never seen him before in my life. I don't understand why people kill themselves for love. It's so painful when you love somebody that doesn't love you back. Okay, I'm strong. What is mine will surely come back. What is mine will surely come back, I believe. It is well. It's well.
Allah seho. Yo, Allah me seho. Seho. Allah ma seho. Why what's up? Like your voice calm down, pa. Why? What do you do? Oh, Charlie. I heard some amazing work here around at the Braka New Town. So I'm going to check if I'll be like, And you know, say like next week is Nana's birthday. I want to surprise her big time. Okay. But Charlie, you hear from her? Oh, Charlie, okay. Not really. I've been calling her since, but she's not answering my call. I don't know why. For real. But tell me, I hear say she is sick, so if you look sharp, then go there. You see them go die. But let me ask you, have you like hear from her or anything? Not really, bro. Not really. But you, if you go make quad, then go there, go check on her. Me, I don't know. I hear say she is sick. You understand? So you look sharp, give me one, I beg you. That be the reason why I've been calling and she's not answering my call. Damn. Charlie, do you know one thing? I'll just go there straight away. Like, I'll just go there right now, Charlie. Okay, Charlie. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, Charlie, you are more than a brother to me, Charlie. Thank you. Oh, what happened? Charlie, be fast, why? You, anything I make, I know. Alright. Charlie, anything, I'll just call you. I hear. Bye. Oh, fuck. That feet. I will go sport it. Hey. I just share my coupe.
I'm not expecting anything. These people will just let me sleep. Come in. What is please? How did you even find out in the first place? And what the hell do you think you're doing here? What happened to that one? I beg, they're having a good...
Emily, please.
Emily what? Emily... Wait, what?
Please.
Where do you even think you are going to? Fema is not around. Fema isn't around.
You're not doing this.
Wait.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
Despite the fact that he's my boyfriend's best friend, he is handsome and he has enough to take care of me. Unlike my boyfriend, who I always have to feed. He's also a graduate. However, Eric is not my brother. I can have him all to myself.
This can't be happening to me.
I can't pretend anymore. I like him.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
You're not asking me that. I've been looking for you all around.
Like, you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. After what you did, you're telling me sorry. You're looking into my eyes, telling me sorry.
Come on, free.
Sorry. After what you did. Abby, I'm not that bad. Am I bad? Look at me. Look at me.
It was a total mistake, okay?
Look at me. And you did this to me.
Come on, free. I regret this.
What I saw you doing with Juliet. Please.
Free, I am sorry. Okay?
Don't tell me, but sorry does not explain anything. I saw you with my own eyes. You were licking hair and you've not even done that to me before. Like, Abby, what's this? Oh God, Abby, please. See, I just don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you.
Come on, free. I really regret my actions right now. Please, free.
Don't come closer to me. Please don't come closer to me.
Free, you're not doing this. Emily.
When you were busy doing your solo, rolling your waist here and there, you didn't mention my name. So what am I doing here? What am I even doing in the picture? I beg, come and be going. Doesn't want you here. Get out. Just leave. Just leave. Please, just leave.
Free, I know, I understand it hurts, but please, it was a mistake and I'm not going to repeat that anymore.
A mistake with my best friend. My best friend. Oh God. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me, please. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ow. Stop. Come on. You want to collect this small thing, what it can do. You don't want it, I beg.
Like, seriously.
Come here.
Emily, please, like, seriously.
When you say Emily, then something is doing me.
Emily,
then something is doing me, please. You've disgraced yourself enough. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look at who my best friend was defending, was madly in love with.
Emily,
The harm has already been done.
listen.
Listen!
I know she's your friend, okay? I know how much you care for her, but please, this was a mistake, okay?
Was a mistake.
It's never
But you enjoyed it. You enjoyed the mistake. Did you enjoy it or not?
Emily, see.
Did you enjoy the mistake or
Emily,
not?
do you understand the level at which this
You expect me to understand you. Were you understanding yourself when you were busily doing those things to her?
Emily,
Please get
I know how
out.
much
She
you-
doesn't want you here.
I
So
know.
if you don't want more disgrace for yourself,
Emily.
please use the door.
He's not answering my call. She not answering my call. What is wrong with this girl? What is going on? Is she okay? I hope she is fine.
Harry, what are you doing here?
I want.
everything she does for you. You are here doing your. I beg. No, I don't want to get myself involved. I don't like what you are doing. I don't want to get involved.
I know.
You will collect it, though.
Come on,
You will collect it.
Listen, I know she's your friend and you care for her, but this is between me and her. Can you please stay out?
Oh, so you didn't know her when you were doing things. And where does he even think he's going? Where do you think you? When I was busily wiping tears, where were you? Don't even say.
Come on, Emily, stop. Emily, stop, please. Emily, stop. Emily, please.
Oh, I don't want to get arrested. I'll beat somebody today. Nonsense. See this one. You go and have fun. Then you come back. You're coming. I'm
not doing this. Stop that. Please.
Abe, for the last time, just go out. Don't touch me! Don't! Walk out!
Free.
If you utter any word, I swear to God, you will take something. Please! Just leave.
Please, just.
Abe! Ewo! I said it.
So, my best friend, you can do this to me. Who the fuck do you think you are? What can you do to him? Just please come off from my face. You can't disrespect me!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on,